Hi, welcome to UNCG. My name is Jennifer Hamilton, and I'm the supervisor of student accounts here in the Cashiers and Student Accounts office. This presentation should give you the information you'll need to keep your student account balance settled. If you ever have questions, please reach out to our office and we'll be more than happy to assist you. Our contact information will be offered at the end of this presentation. So to get started, you may want to know more about the charges you'll be paying. The cashier's office will charge you each semester for tuition and fees, housing, meals, and possibly parking, bookstore box, and student health insurance. You can find the spring 2021 schedule of tuition and fees on our website. Now, tuition and fees are based on your residency status, your curriculum, and the number of credits you take each semester. If your curriculum is designated as main campus, your tuition and fees will be billed the main campus rates. On the schedule under undergraduate, find the number of credits you'll take this spring and view the totals on the far right side of the table. If by chance your curriculum is online, you'll view the distance learning charges per credit hour at the bottom of the page. On page 2 of the schedule, you'll see other potential charges such as housing, meals, and miscellaneous fees. Please be in mind that you will be charged the new student fee this spring semester only. Also, please look at the course and program special fees. You may see some of these extra charges included on your account depending on what classes you take and what your major is. Fixed tuition guarantee is a statewide program. If you're a first-time freshman and you're an in-state resident, your tuition will be locked in for 8 semesters, meaning your tuition will not increase as long as you remain registered consecutively for 4 years. If you're transferring in from another institution, please understand this 8 semesters will be prorated based on the number of credit hours you transfer into UNCG. Also, please understand this policy is in regards to tuition only. The fees and the miscellaneous charges you're billed each semester may change from year to year. You can find more details of this policy on our website. The payment process begins with registration. As you register for classes, your tuition and fees will be assessed to your student account. Once housing has confirmed your room assignment, your housing charge will be added and so on. All of these charges will be collected and your account will reflect the total balance due for the spring semester. Please be aware that by coming in this late, unfortunately, you'll not be issued an official billing statement for this spring. However, in the future, you'll have the opportunity to pre-register for the next semester and you will be billed official statements at those times. As for this spring, please monitor your account online in your Student Account Center portal and make payment no later than the first day of classes, which is January 19th. For any balance owed out of pocket, you may pay in person, by mail, or online. You may pay in the office using cash, check, or money order. If you happen to come to the office while we're closed, you are welcome to put your payment in a sealed envelope with your student ID number listed on that payment and drop it in our secure payment drop box. The payment will be processed on your account the next business day. You can mail payment, but please allow sufficient mailing time to ensure the payment is received by the payment deadline. You can find both our mailing address and the physical address for overnight mail on our website. Make your check or money order payable to UNCG and include your student ID number. The payment will be processed the day we receive it. Online payments are the quickest and easiest form of payment. Please note there is a fee to use a card, but there's no fee if you use an electronic check. Now, if you've completed a FAFSA and you have an award, you'll see these pending funds on your bill. If you feel something is missing or incorrect, please work directly with the financial aid office to get that matter resolved prior to the payment deadline. If you have an authorization that allows us to bill a specific vendor for payment of your charges, please work directly with Amy Cook in the cashier's office to ensure she has that information. If that authorization does not cover your entire balance, Please work with her on the amount you must pay out of pocket by January 19th. If you're using a 529 savings plan to pay your spring balance, please work directly with the provider on getting that payment processed and submitted to our office by the deadline. If you need a payment plan to settle that balance you owe by January 19th, you're welcome to set up a plan online in the Student Account Center. So the payment plan offered at UNCG is real time. What this means is the plan will be based on your current balance. You cannot alter the amount to be set up on this plan. The system will see your current charges and calculate your current payments and pending payments and set up the amount you owe out of pocket at that time. Also, if there are changes to your account balance throughout the semester, your remaining installments will be updated accordingly. The payment plan currently available for the spring is a 3-month plan. Your first installment, as well as the $50 setup fee, will be due at the time of setup. You'll then owe additional installments by March 4th and April 4th. The Student Account Center is your online portal for all your student account concerns. Within this system, you can make payments, you can view your bills, you can set up saved payment methods, and even designate one of those accounts as a direct deposit bank account for student refunds, and also view tax information as we generate it. We do recommend all students sign up at least one authorized user. This user will have access to your billing notification emails as you will receive in the future, and they will also have access to view your balance and to make payments. Students will log into the Student Account Center portal by first logging into UNCG. Authorized users, you will have direct access by using your email address and the password that is emailed to you at the time of setup. We do suggest you log into the Student Account Center and use it frequently so you're familiar with your student account transactions and any remaining balance due on your account. The cashier's office will generate monthly bills throughout the semester if you owe a balance. Please pay attention to these bills and always keep your balance settled. Otherwise, you may be hindered from moving forward into the next semester. Students who have completed a FAFSA and will be receiving federal financial aid while at UNCG must complete a Title IV authorization form. This form is available on your UNC Genie account and includes 2 sections. Section A pertains to the current semester. If you owe for any charges other than tuition, fees, room, and meals, you must authorize your financial aid to apply towards these other charges. If in the future you owe a balance of $200 or less at the end of the semester and you would like to carry that over into the next academic year, you must authorize that in Section B. This is a one-time form. You'll never need it completed again unless you opt to change your responses. So registration confirmation is pretty important. If you're not confirmed by the payment deadline, you're in danger of losing your semester schedule. Your part is simply settle your balance in full by the deadline, and we will handle the confirmation of your registration. Please view your registration confirmation online in your UNC Genie account just to ensure you're confirmed for the semester. Every January, UNCG issues to all students a 1098-T tax informational form. This form reflects payments made towards applicable charges for that tax year, as well as the total of grants and scholarships that were received on the student's account. Please understand that while we can assist you with any information on the actual form, we're not tax professionals and cannot give you tax advice. However, once you receive your form and if you question any of the figures on it, reach out to our office for further assistance. Now, a requirement on this form is that we include the student's Social Security number. If you have not completed a FAFSA, please complete with our office a W-9S form. We only need Part 1 completed with your name, address, and Social Security number. You can complete the form and mail it or fax it to our office, or you can hand deliver it. Again, this is only necessary if you have not completed your FAFSA. If you have done that FAFSA, your social has already been received at UNCG through the FAFSA process. Please feel free to reach out to the cashier's office at any time when you have questions or you need further assistance. Our current office hours are Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. until 4 p.m. Feel free to call us, email us, or set up an appointment to meet with us in person. You can also visit our website to find lots of information and chat with many who may be able to answer your questions. Again, my name is Jennifer, and I welcome you to UNCG. Take care, and we can't wait to see you.